Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This video covers JSX concepts. Let us start the video. JSX stands for JavaScript XML. JSX allows us to write HTML code in JavaScript. It is not mandatory to use JSX to write a React components, but JSX makes it easier to create React applications. This is the example for JSX code. Here we are creating a JavaScript constant. And we are assigning a HTML element to that constant. At runtime, this JSX code is converted to JavaScript. The converted JavaScript code for the above JSX looks like this. React uses createElement function to create a HTML element. CreateElement takes 3 arguments. First argument, name of element. Second argument, attributes of the element. Third argument, children of the element. In this example, h1 is the element name. id equals myHeading is the attribute. This is JSX element. Is the child of h1 element. Let us understand. Rules while writing the JSX code. First rule. To use multi-line HTML code in JSX, we should wrap them in brackets. Example, here we have wrapped whole HTML code in between brackets. Second rule. The HTML code must be wrapped in only one top-level element. First block of code as 2 top-level elements p tags. This does not work in JSX. And it throws error. To make it working, in the second block of code, we have wrapped 2 p tags in a division. Here we have only one top-level element division. But wrapping all nodes in division will create an extra node in DOM tree. If you don't want that extra node, we should use Fragment. Third block of code shows how to use React Fragment. We simply wrap all the HTML code in between these fragment tags. Now let us understand how to write expressions in JSX. In JSX, we can write JavaScript expressions inside curly braces. The expression can be a React variable, or property, or any other valid JavaScript expression. JSX will execute the expression and return the result. Consider this example. Here we have created a JavaScript variable, name with value hero, and in h1 element, we wrapped variable name in between curly braces to show the value of the variable. Output of this code shows, "Hi, welcome hero," on the web page. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.